What? We woke up and chose to be a baddie today, okay? Hello beautiful people. So today's video is going to be about this bomb hair that I have in my head right now. If you guys want to know more about it, just keep on watching. Once again, I purchased this hair from Royalty Raw Hair. She sells raw Indian hair. Now if you guys do not know much about raw hair, I suggest that you do your research and learn about it before you purchase it, because it is not like buying regular bundles. It's completely different and it's definitely worth it. So how I found her, I actually was looking for raw hair, and raw hair is so hard to find because a lot of people will lie and say like, oh, this is raw Indian hair, and it's not, and it's like stuff from AliExpress and they charging you $300 for it. And baby, that's just not what we're gonna do. It's no scamming. You're not gonna scam me. So that was my biggest thing why it's hard to find, and I do not want to be paying no $300 for bundles that are not going to last me, like, you know what I mean? And I'm sure you guys will feel the same way. So I looked up raw hair on YouTube, and her YouTube was actually the first one to come up. And what I love about her, she's very like, she seems like she's very down to earth, and on her YouTube she will give you like the info about her hair, what kind of hair it is, what products you need to use. And that's what kind of made me feel like, okay, I can trust her. So I ordered from her website. I'm going to link her website and her YouTube down below, and her Instagram. So I went on her Instagram and I DM'd her. She's very sweet. She answered any questions that I had, and she sent my hair really fast, you guys. So on her website it says that she ships out her orders on Saturday. So I ordered 3 bundles of her Indian wavy Saturday morning, and literally she shipped it out that same day, and I received my hair on Thursday, which isn't bad because that's like ordering from AliExpress or Amazon. Like, that was pretty quick. So on her website she has Indian wavy, Indian straight, and Indian curly. I did not get disclosure from her. She didn't have any 5x5s at the time, but she does sell them. So I ordered 3 bundles of Indian wavy. Now mind you, you guys, this is why I say you need to do your own research, because Indian hair, well, raw hair does not all come looking the same uniform curl. There will be a different wave pattern, a different color. So you can actually before you purchase, in your cart area is something where it says like notes, so you can let her know like if you can please match it to like a dark brown, or if you want like all your bundles to be light brown, she will do her best to match the texture and the color for you, which is amazing. So once I received my hair, it came in like a plastic packaging, and she also gave me a thank you card, and on the back of the thank you card it's actually like hair care tips and products to use on the hair. So she recommends using ORS neutralizing shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair mayonnaise. So when I got my hair out of the pack, she said it was going to be dry, and it was dry. It wasn't like dry like tangling and all of that. It felt soft, but it felt like I could tell that it was dry. So she lets you know like you need to wash your bundles, shampoo, condition it, and let it sit in the hair mayonnaise for at least 8 hours. So our bundles are actually very flat and skinny and thin, which is a good thing. So I didn't have to cut the weft, so I was actually able to just do the flip over method. Once I made it to a wig, I got a couple strands, and literally that's all I've been getting like on a daily. I either get no shedding or I get like 1 strand. Like, I got 1 piece just now. So I made it into a wig. This hair does not tangle at all. It does not mat. I literally, when I went to work the other day, I was able to just work without having to brush my hair. And it just has like a natural shine to it. Like, I literally did not put nothing in my hair. Look how shiny it is. Like, y'all, super shiny. And it's like, the hair is heavy. Like, 1 bundle, you guys, I could have gotten away with using 2 bundles. I like sold my bundles in my wig so tight, I mean so close together, because I wanted to fit all the hair in. So because her wefts are so long, like, you know how like when you go like to like 24 and up, you have to get like 4 bundles sometimes because the hair is thin. No, I could have did 2 bundles. It was so full that when I put the 2 bundles in, I couldn't even put it into like a ponytail to get it out of the way. I had to like braid it because that's how thick it was. And the hair does not have any like weird flyaways. Like, don't mind the closure, because the closure definitely has some. But you know when you straighten hair and how it has like, I'm going to try to insert a clip so you guys know what I mean. But you know when you straighten hair and you have like those little like, I don't know if they're split ends or just short hairs mixed in with the bundle. does not have that. Or if it does have that, the cuticles are so in line that it just like, it's sleek and straight. So I curled my hair yesterday morning. These are the same curls. I did not use flexi rods. I didn't pin curl it. I just literally put it on my canvas head and went to sleep. Like, I'm not even exaggerating, guys. This hair holds the curl so well. I did not have to touch up. Only thing I had to touch up was my closure, because the closure isn't the same hair as I said previously. She says on her videos that the bundles may have split ends. I didn't have any split ends. Like, her hair exceeded my expectations, like, overall. Like, there's nothing I can say. Like, I just want you guys to look as I brush the hair. Like, you guys, look at that. All I can say, you guys, is that you will see the difference. Like, when I say I'm never going back, I'm never going back. If I go back to wearing regular Brazilian hair or whatever bundles they're giving us, when I say if I go back to that, it's for something quick and something cheap. When I say I'm never going back, like, you can feel the difference. It's soft, it's thick, like, I'm never going back. Like, I told her, I was like, I'm going to get every texture. And I got what I paid for. You guys will literally get what you pay for. This isn't somebody that's like, oh, I sell Indian hair, and when you get it, like, it's all matted and tangled up down the line. Like, no. Even though, you guys, I only had this hair in, like, not even a week. So I'm going to do a updated review, probably like a 1-month review and a 2-month review. And just a review down the line. And I'll probably review all her other textures as well. She's also having a sale very soon, you guys. So check her website out. All her prices and everything are on her website. So you guys can check that out for all the prices and information and everything else. Check out her YouTube for hair care tips and everything. Like, y'all, I'm looking at my my monitor because it's just like, what? What? We woke up and chose to be a baddie today, okay? I'm putting y'all on game. So go into Royalty Hair Instagram, her YouTube, and her website. Check her out. Let me know what you guys think down below. Tell me your experience with raw Indian hair. Comment down below what you guys think. And I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all.